Hey my beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am making banana kala. This is great as a snack or breakfast. I'm excited. Let's get started right now. The first thing I am doing is adding warm milk, sugar, and yeast. I am mixing this all together. I am going to cover this and let it sit for 5 minutes. I am adding the egg, vanilla extract, nutmeg, bananas, and flour. And also a pinch of salt, but it's optional. I am using my hand and mixing this all together. When was the last time you had kala? And have you tried kala this way before? This is the consistency I am looking for. After mixing this all together, I will cover the bowl and let it sit at room temperature for an hour. After 1 hour, I am about to start frying the kala. I have some oil heating up on the stove. To test how hot the oil is, I have a little bit of batter in the oil. If it burns right away, the oil is too hot, but if it takes a long time to turn brown, the oil is too low. I am grabbing a small amount of batter in my hand and squeezing it out in the oil. I will let this fry until they are brown. They usually flip on their own, so try not to overcrowd the pot. If one side is brown, don't be afraid to turn them over. Once they are done frying, you can set them on a wire rack. This is what they are looking like once they are done. You can also dip this in chocolate. So delicious. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.